Hello, my name is Johannes Hobus. We're standing in front of our biogas plant. We're producing biogas since 2013.
Hello, my name is Ernst Metzger-Petersen. I am the senior farmer here on Hof Backensholz. We also have a biogas plant. We started very early, 2002. At that time we were already making cheese, and we needed a new central heating.
The biogas plant we filled with solid manure, slurry and food waste. The slurry comes directly from the barn, and the food waste and solid manure we filled here in, and it goes directly in the fermenter. When the input comes in the fermenter, it will heat on 40 degrees, so the bacteria can start their working process. The bacteria will produce biogas and will send it to the flexible gas storage. Electricity will be produced only when the price is good. The motor will be automatically start and take the gas from the storage. In the gas storage we can store gas for about 2 days. With our biogas plant we are able to make 170 kilowatts electricity per hour.
We have a biogas plant producing about 600 kilowatts of electricity per hour. Well, the first investment of the first biogas plant with 150 kilowatts was €1 million, and then we renew it, and for 600 kilowatts it was 1.5 million added.
The investment in 2013 was nearly €1 million, and now it's the most is paid. For the success of the biogas plant, it's for me important to do service and reparation on my own.